Hi everyone, so today let's talk about CSS Margin and CSS Padding. But before that, let's give a hand for the winner of our past video tutorial, Gisrel Montero. He got 100 pesos then. So thank you for your participation, and for all my students, thank you for your participation. And please don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, SirJetDev, and also my Facebook page. So let's continue our discussion about CSS Margin and CSS Padding. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng CSS Margin? So properties are used to create space around element outside of any defined borders. So ito yung mga space between the outside of the content. For example, this one. So ito yung border. So yung space niya in the left side, upper side, and right side and bottom. Yan yung margin niya. So there will be a margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left. So this will be the example. Let's put a example. So let us use external CSS. So we have index, HTML, and style CSS. So let us edit this example. So for example, we have a P element. So let's have a margin top of this. For example, we have margin. Then let us refresh our web browser. So diba, meron siyang margin top na 50px. For example, let us change it into 100px. So diba, makikita natin yung margin top niya. Then let's try to put a margin left, margin bottom, and also margin left 100px, and margin top, margin right rather 100px. So let us refresh our web browser. So we have a top margin of 100px, bottom 100px, and margin right dito meron ding 100px, and margin left we have a margin pixel. And if the margin property has 4 values, so let's try this example of margin shorthand property. To shorten the code, it's possible to specify all the margin property in one property. So paano natin i-shorten itong code na maging isang properties or isang property ating gagamitin? So di ba meron tayong margin top, margin bottom, margin left, margin right. So gawin natin dito is gagawa tayo ng isang property. Then meron tayong 4 na values. For example, this values 50px. Then we have also 25px, we have also 50px, and next one is 75px and also 100px. So this 25px is the top margin, and the 50px is for the right margin, and the 75px is for the bottom margin, and 100px is for the left margin. For example, let us delete this example. Left, we have 3, so let us refresh. So let's add a left margin 100px. Then diba, we have a top margin. For example, let us use a 50px. So diba, makita natin si top margin. And we have also a property has 3 values. So if we have 3 values, so diba, ito yun si top, then right, top, then bottom, and left. And also we have a 3 property values. So for example, let us delete this example. So this will be the top, right, and left, and also bottom. So this will be the example. Top, right, and left, then bottom. So let's try to change this, the right and left on 100 pixel, left and right. Then we have a 2 property values. So we have this top and bottom, and right and left. For example, let us change it into 100 pixel, top and bottom, and right and left. And also we have a property with 1 value. All 4 margins are 25. Example, we have a margin 25px. So this will be the top, right, bottom, and left. So this will be the size of the margin. Yan po yung margin. So for example, we have this auto value. You can set the margin property to auto to horizontal centered element within its container. For example, meron tayong width na 100 px and margin. So naka-center lang siya palagi. Margin auto. You can search any examples of margin in W3 School. There are so many examples there. Also, let us continue for the CSS padding. CSS padding properties are used to generate space around an element content inside of any defined border. So sa CSS padding naman, we have also padding top, padding right, padding bottom, and padding left. Ano ba ang pinagkaiba ni padding at saka ni CSS margin? For example, let's add a border of this styles. Add this border. Let's change it into 2px solid tomato. So we have our border, and let's try to add a padding top. We have 50px. So diba, kita niyo naman yung border at saka content, may padding siya. So kaiba nila, yung margin is for the side, both side, every side of this border or content. So lagyan naman natin ng padding left 50px. And you can also add a that will be the padding. And you can also add a padding with one property value. So we have a property value of 4 values, and we have also a 3 values, 2 values, and 1 value. So it's the same in the margin. We have a 4 values, for example this one. So this will be the 25px for the top, and 50px for the right, and 75px for the bottom, and 100px for the left. Meron tayong 25 left, 50, then dito sa bottom we have a 75 and 100px for the left side. And we have also a 3 values. Top is 25px, is the right and left paddings are 50, then bottom is 75px. And also for the 2 property value, we have a 25px for the top and bottom, and 50px for the left and right. And we have also for the 1 property value for 25px for the top, left, and right. This will be the example. So how can we change the border? Border width is so we have this example. So that's all for the CSS padding and CSS margin. You can see more example in W3 School about CSS padding. So if you have any question, you can comment below and I will answer that in the next video tutorial. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel and also my Facebook page. And for our next question and answer, see the question in your screen. But before to answer, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share my post in my Facebook page. And that's all for this day. Have a nice day and God bless everyone. Bye.